Good morning, viewers, astrology lovers. Today I will discuss lunar return chart and how this chart predicted Joe Biden's victory on 3rd November election and Donald Trump's fall. So a lunar return chart, what is lunar return chart? A lunar return chart is created from your birth chart when the moon returns to the same location as your birth chart. The 360 degree zodiac, to travel it, the moon needs 28 days. So moon rotates about 13 degree per day. Okay, so here I'll discuss both Donald Trump and Joe Biden's chart. I have taken both natal chart. When we are predicting some events for return chart, it is always you have to consider the relocated chart where the person is currently living or will be living. So in this case, although Donald Trump was born in Jamaica, New York, and Joe Biden in Scranton, Pennsylvania, I have to relocate both these guys' chart to White House, that is District of Columbia, Washington DC. This is relocated chart of Joe Biden, relocated chart of Donald Trump. So now I created the lunar return chart. A lunar return chart is valid 28 days the day the returns happen. So I am taking two lunar return charts, on for Joe Biden, on for Donald Trump, that covers the time period and the election day. So in Joe Biden's last lunar return was on 30th October. After a few days the election happened, and Donald Trump's lunar return, the current lunar return that is active, it happened in 20th October. So it is valid 28 days. Okay, now discuss Donald Trump's lunar return chart. We see that in his lunar return chart that is currently valid, his ascendant is 19 degree 16 minute Sagittarius. So if we look at Donald Trump's natal chart, that is in his home area. So home will be area will be more important, and I believe he's currently issuing he's discussing with his family members or White House other members of his team about the current situation. And we see that here the south node or Ketu in its conjunct his first house cusp, so that is unfavorable. So but his north node is on the Rahu was on the 7th house cusp, that is about the pupil, right? So these moon rules is 8th house cusp. 8th house is gain and transformation, but that was not favorable due to his natal Saturnus conjunct this location. If we take his natal chart and superimpose with this lunar return chart, let's see what happens. you see Saturn is conjunct his 8th house cusp. So in a lunar return chart where the Cancer sign is, that house is very important. So that is gain, transformation, or even death of the current situation. So we see Saturn conjunct, natal Saturn conjunct is lunar return 8th house cusp, so that was not favorable. Now if we look at his fortune point, you see the fortune is squaring the Uranus, unexpected changes, and that is not favorable because the aspect has to be beneficial, like sextile trine, and we have to take the closest possible aspect. So here if we look at the fortune is squaring Uranus with 3 degree 38 minute. Okay, differences squaring. Now let's look at his Sun. Sun is also important, although it is his 10th house of career, but Sun is squaring Saturn, and Saturn is preventing his current ambition regarding his second term or career, you can say presidential career. So in considering all these things, this current period he is having problem in his life, and his ambition didn't succeed. Now let's look at Joe Biden's lunar return chart that happened on 30th October, and we see that in his chart the ascendant or lagna is in 2 degree 1 minute Gemini, and Gemini in his natal chart, if we see the location, that is it is conjunct to 7th house, that is people. So that was because this sign is ascendant is very important, and where it is going in your natal chart, that is very important. In Donald Trump's case, it was in his ascendant is going to his natal 4th house, but in Joe Biden's chart we see his return chart ascendant is going to his 7th house of people, that people who elected him, and Rahu or the North Node in his 1st house. So it means that his condition will be favorable, and he will make a victory or some improvement of his current situation. So and if we look at the fortune point, you see fortune is very closely sextiling his career, that is his presidential career ambition to White House, and that was very favorable. And Moon is in his 12th house of ending means the current situation, and since Mars was conjunct to his 12th house of ending, and Mars was in good aspect with his Rahu and Ketu, so it will be good ending for his current situation. Another thing I noticed in Donald Trump's lunar return chart, a very critical degree. Critical degrees are like 13, 0, 13, 26 degree of cardinal signs, or 29 degree of any sign, but if it is in fixed sign, that is a big and permanent change is happening. If we look at his 6th house and 12th house cusp, both are 29 degree. You see 29 degree of Scorpio, 29 degree of Taurus, and this point if we look at his natal chart, so it is in career and home. A big change is coming soon within this period until his next lunar return. That will be like 20th of about 18th November, so this month. So we see that his lunar returns are also ending. His career and home situation is permanently ending, so he has to leave White House, I believe. So every kind of return chart, yesterday I discussed about his diurnal chart, both of these candidates. Today I am discussing lunar return chart of both of these candidates. So there will be always indication about the events a person's life when we carefully analyze. And so everything is predetermined, nothing is by chance. So I'll be uploading again the other return charts sooner. So if you like, or if you have any comments, please leave your comments after watching this video. And you have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.